I once beat Indonesia in MSC. Do you know MSC?
You really you wanna beat Indonesia?
Yes, I beat Indonesia. Yes.
Parang Indonesia.
Are you sure?
You search it, bro. You searched Indonesia. I once beat Indonesia.
Bro, you know Indonesia will win in MSG.
I don't think they will win, bro. There's so many good team in the Philippines.
I know, but you're not playing there.
No, search for it. You want me to show you?
Yeah.
Wait, you show. Wait, I'll send you the link, right? So,
Okay, so.
you wait for me, You know RRQ?
Yeah, I know RRQ.
You know RRQ, then
And RRQ in Philippines?
I'll send you the link. Check the link. Who's in that front page of that video? I beat Indonesia, bro.
Really?
Yes. You don't believe me?
I don't believe you.
You search it for yourself.
Makikilala ka ba nung kahit? Pahit ka pa nun.
Hindi ako. Hindi niya tayo makikilala
Pahit
eh.
ka pa nun eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Ngayon, laki na eh.
I'm still skinny that time. Oh! What?
Demon kita!
Demon Kite! What the hell is Demon Kite?
Yo! But your hair is different.
Yeah, my hair is different, bro. Because I'm also skinny that time and I like to color my hair.
Oh my god, you really beat the... Damn bro, this Skylar and Stephen and Albert is good, but you beat...
I told you, bro. I told you.
Wait, I will...
But don't tell them that I told you, right? Because it will look like that I'm...
Villain.
Huh?
Villain?
No, I will look like a villain in this video.
Damn bro, you really beat... How you beat the Skylar and Stephen?
I don't also know, bro. I just play. I don't know how I beat them. Yes.